Hello, my yoga friend! I'm so glad to see you today! Cobra pose. Push up a little, shoulders back. Breathe in, open your heart. Cobra feels strong and kind. Nice stretch. Airplane pose. Arms out, wings open. You're flying high above the clouds. Beautiful landing coming soon. Extended side angle. One arm to the sky, the other near your ankle. You're a superhero stretching your power. Breathe in, breathe out. Nice, steady energy. Boat pose. We're sailing across the ocean. Lift your legs, don't fall in. Hold your boat steady. Nice sailing. Bridge pose. Can you build a bridge with your body? Look at the ceiling and smile. Now gently roll down. Butterfly pose. Touch your toes, knees out to the sides. Flutter your wings gently. Beautiful wings, my friend. Happy baby pose. Hold your toes, knees open wide. Rock slowly like a baby in a cradle. Peaceful and fun. Camel pose. Imagine you're a camel in the desert. Lift your chest, stretch your belly. So strong, so brave. Lizard pose. Front foot wide, back leg straight. Stay steady and strong. Can you hold still like a statue? Candle pose. Feel your legs stretch toward the ceiling. Your candle flame is calm and warm. Lovely light, shining bright. Cat-cow pose. Exhale, round your back. Meow. Feel your spine waking up. Such a happy. Chair pose. Pretend you're sitting on an invisible chair. Don't fall. Keep your balance and smile. Great job! Strong legs. child's pose. Curl up like a tiny seed. Breathe slowly. You're safe and cozy. Downward facing dog. Push your hands down. Stretch your legs. So strong and awake. Easy pose. Sit tall, soft smile. Take a deep breath in and out. You're ready for your yoga adventure. Forward bend. Touch your toes or just your knees. Let your back relax. Breathe in peace. Breathe out stress. Garland pose. Squat low, palms at your heart. Breathe. Can you stay steady? Feel your hips open and relax. Half forward bend pose. Straight back, eyes forward. Your body looks like a strong plank of wood. Nice control. Mountain pose. Feel your feet rooted to the ground. Lift your head high to the sky. Calm power inside you. Great job, my friend! You did wonderful today. See you next time!